Self-healing cars could become a reality soon. While there aren't any self-repairing cars on the market yet, we seem to be heading in that direction. For instance, Lamborghini and MIT are teaming up to make their self-healing car concept a reality by 2030. The team will utilize nanotechnology, specifically carbon nanotubes, to create strong, light, and potentially self-repairing cars. Non-organic materials can self-heal, using capsules that let out a substance that fills gaps when a material is damaged. It can also use vascular networks, like the veins on a leaf, where a healing agent flows to fix a void. A lot of work needs to be done to combine different materials into a single vehicle that can completely repair itself. However, innovations in self-healing materials might make this a reality one day. What do you think of self-repairing cars? Will they ever become a reality?